Hi everyone, welcome back to our day 5 of Python with DSC. We'll learn about loops and conditions. What is a loop? Loop is something which will help you to iterate over a sequence. One of the very common loop is while loop. So what we are doing here, so initially we have set up one variable and it is initialized with 0. Now I started my while loop. While count is less than 3 and we are increasing count plus 1. Okay, so let us just start with our loops here. I will comment this out. Loops, remember loop while. There are also other loops such as, for, and in for also in range. I will quickly show you some of the loops, these, and then we have conditions. So when we talk about condition, it is mainly if else. Okay, so first loop. So I am declaring count1 is equal to 0. Now while count1 is less than 10. There is one thing I want all of you to remember about the indentation. In Python, there is the indentation. So whenever you give this double column and you enter hit, you see automatically line is. So in case if I write here something, okay, I write, let's say print. Let's say I'm writing printing. It will not work because in Python you have to give the proper indentation and then we will just go ahead and increase our count plus equal. Now let's see what happens. Printing. If you want, we can just give the count here. So there is something called as format function and in format we can just give, our count variable here. So we can see how many times. So see, initially the loop started with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and until less than 10. So if I give less than equal to, it, because initially we give less, so it will print up to 10. Similar to that, there is another loop, which is also for. Okay. So for I in range, my range I'm starting with 1 plus 10. For now, we'll consider 10. Print I. Right. Let's say, so it printed. If I give 11, because see, our range is, this is our starting index and this is our end. So always it will print till n minus 1. Here we need not increment anything. Okay. And we have also seen one for loop. So let's say I have a numbers list. 1, 2. There is another for loop that we have seen. So if I want to iterate through this, what I can do for I in nums, print I. So this will also give us the numbers. It will iterate through each index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And always remember, even though I'm giving 1 as my starting number here, the index will be 0. Remember, so we will use this common. Now we'll talk about the conditions. Suppose I have defined a number is equal to 4. Or let's say I have defined a number 100. Okay. And I want to verify that if this number is greater than 100, so what I will do, if number is greater than 100, I will say print above 100, else you can just print below 100. This is a very simple statement. So below 100. It is equal to 100. Let's say I'm giving you 999. What does it print? above 100. If I specifically give greater than equal to, then what will happen? Let's see. Above 100. Whenever we give equal to, it will consider that number. If I just give 1, what will happen? It's below 100. We also haven't solved. Suppose x is greater than 5. Print greater than 5, else greater than or less than 5. Also, you can introduce one more statement here, elif. In here also I can give condition, elif number is, let's say, less than 500 and number is greater than 100. Okay. Print number is between 100 and 500. Here we are basically checking one more condition. Let's run and see what happens. I would give number as 555. Okay, so there is some problem here. What is happening? Remove redundant parentheses, and it is also simply change comparison. Okay, so it is just asking. Okay, fine. So I'll debug this, and but for now, you can just remember this is a simple if and else. Thank you.